Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how can we enable the live captions on our Android device. So if you're also looking forward, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. Start by opening up the settings app on your Android device, open it up, tap on it, and once you open it up, you may just scroll through the given options and find the option of accessibility. So go ahead and find it up and tap on it, and that should open up the accessibility tab. From here, go ahead and look out for the option for live caption, which should be under hearing enhancement. So go ahead and find it up and tap on it. After you tap on hearing enhancement, you should be finding option for live caption. You can navigate to the option and tap on it. And once you open it up, you can just go ahead and tap on the toggle switch next to the use live caption. So you need to turn on this option or simply live caption to turn it on. And once you turn it on, you may be prompted to read a message about a live caption or tap on OK and got it to proceed. And that should do it. You can enable the shortcut by using the volume button as well. In the live caption settings, you can go ahead and look out for the option for volume control. Head over to settings and open it up again, or go over and look out for accessibility, and from there go ahead and look out for the option of hearing enhancement and tap on it, and go ahead and look out for live caption. And from live caption, you can turn this option for live caption and volume control. And when you want to turn on the live caption on or off, you can press your device's volume up or down button and the options will appear. You can tap the live action icon to enable or disable the feature. And that's it. So these are the methods you can follow up if you'd like to enable live captions on your Android device. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.